Hey y'all, so we are at a Viet restaurant and it took us a while to find this, but I'm glad we finally made it and we got our food. So I got the pho. What did you get, Lane?
I got pho with tomato paste and crab meat.
Pepsi.
I got a pork chop rice.
Okay. So Fairy's digging in. What's good?
Same pho.
And look at our egg rolls. A little fried. I've never seen it like this, but we'll try it out.
Say summer roll.
Y'all, this mall is really small. We're trying to go shopping for just everything. I need sneakers and I want new clothes. I need to do laundry desperately, but hopefully if I buy like new clothes, I have like more outfits to wear throughout the week, so I don't have to do laundry that bad. This is my first time seeing the waterfront, like this whole trip, and I've been so... Y'all, we're at the mall. We'll look to my left. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. Like that's a Ferris wheel. And I don't know what that green thing is. It's a tunnel. But that looks so beautiful. Oh stop, that could be us. Into the mall. So I just got out of the main mall and I walked around, like it literally went in a circle. It's so big, but somehow I walked through all 4 floors and I didn't find anything that I wanted. So now I'm on the underground level and I am trying to find this Muji store, but it's underground. It's in the subway up here. But I don't see it. And there's other stores where you have to kind of like go on the other side and pay. I don't want to. Here we are at the wheel. So beautiful. Yo, we got our tickets. Y'all, we're up on the Ferris wheel. Look how beautiful the view is. We're almost at the top. Just you wait.
We just went.
Wait, we just missed it, you bitch. Hey y'all, this is Andre. We're in the Ferris wheel. Y'all, we finished.
Yes. 3 more times. We got to go on 3 times, surprisingly. Hey. Look at this carnival they're having. Y'all, we just got drinks from this stand and they're so cute. I got mango guava. What'd you get?
I got lemon passion fruit.
Mango sago with aloe. Watermelon slush.
Aren't the bottles so cute? I'm excited to try it. I'm gonna shake. Shake. Long day, but we watched Shang-Chi and we went out to dinner at this Indonesian restaurant and it was so good. But now we're at this tea boba shop and we all got a little drink and it's gonna be cute. Something new because of peach gum. So we'll see how that works. But look at the tea. This is the boba shop we went to, but I got the B3, that's mulberry and rose, and yeah. Update, I tried the peach gum and it's like interesting. It's kind of chewy. Oh. Hey y'all, it is 7, but I'm about to do laundry for the first time. Look how much I have, and look what I'm wearing, because I don't have anything else to wear. Okay, so I had to buy this laundry pack from the hotel, so I'm about to do it. This is my first time using a Tide Pod. Okay, cool, we're good. Hey y'all, this is our first dim sum experience in Hong Kong. What did we got? We got some pork buns.
Got the shrimp dumplings, egg custard bun, and,
Dumplings.
and the rice roll.
And we're just waiting on Shumai, but this is the whole experience. Woo! I'm here for it. Look how big this mall is. That's the ground floor, and this is not even the top. They have a little vending machine of all these little pop marks. And they're all really cute. They look like that. Let's see. Look what I found. A Lion Brand store. Look at the garden. This is so beautiful. H&M, look at over here, is actually a home store. So right now we're going around walking around shopping. There's a lot of shopping malls, so it's kind of like overwhelming. Y'all, it is a Sunday afternoon and everybody's shopping. Y'all, look at this poke bowl. It is so big. And look at the little forks they gave us. It's so cute. It's like, I don't know what, but I like it. Y'all, we just got cute food waffles from this stand. How is it? I guess it's good. We just got done shopping. Long day of walking, but I got a few good things, and as you can see, the streets are really busy right now.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Oh, I guess.
Pizza and wings.